Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make walk animation in Roblox Studio. All right, let's begin. First, open your game in Roblox Studio and select your character. Go to the Avatar tab and open the Animation Editor. Then choose your character to begin animating. Start creating your walk animation by rotating and adjusting body parts frame by frame to simulate walking movement. Make sure the motion looks smooth and consistent from start to finish. Once your animation is complete, open the Options menu and set the animation priority to Action. This ensures it plays correctly in-game. After that, publish the animation to Roblox, give it a name, and save it to your account. Next, go into Play mode and locate your character in the workspace. Find the Animate script. Copy it, then stop the game. Paste this script into Starter Player under Starter Character Scripts. Open the Animate script, locate the Walk Animation section, and replace the ID field with your animation asset ID. So that's basically how you can make walk animation in Roblox Studio. That's it for this video. Thanks.